Hi all. Okay, in this video what we are going to discuss here is the topics which we are discussed earlier as a theoretical. Now I will do practical on that. Okay, so to update the data we need locking because simultaneously we should not allow two people to update the data for avoid interruptions. Okay, so for that we are using locking concept, and this commit with error handling activity is nothing but it will perform commit, and after commit it will unlock the lock so that the another person can change whenever he want, and if the commit fails it should be rollback, otherwise the lock will be permanent. So when the commit fails it should roll back the transaction. For that they have created one activity, that is OOTB activity called commit with error handling. How to use this and all I'll tell you in this video by practical methods. Okay, for example, there is one table we have, customer details table we have. Okay, in that we have customer data. This customer 12, the ID customer 12 is name Sandesh. He reached you to change his mobile number. Okay, he wants to change his mobile number. He reached you to change the mobile number. If you are database admin, you can come here and save it. You can change it by double clicking on it. You can change it, but you will not be given database administrative access because it should not give to all the agents, because the secure data will be there. So database admins only will handle this. But for updating the mobile number, do we need to go for database admins? No need, we can update it. For that we need to create a activity. So we will use obj open and obj save methods combinedly to update the data. Okay, so by setting the property, how to do it I'll tell you. For that first we need to create an activity. Right click, create technical activity. Update single record activity, create and open. First we need to create a page. The page name is nothing but I'll create a page called AB. Some temporary name, whatever the name you want you can give. If you want your name you can give the your name also. But on which table we are going to perform the activity? So our table name is customer details. It is in RPAS data customer details. Okay, so same you can drag and drop. You can use down arrow to data customer details. You can do it. Okay, so page name is AB, you just copy it, and parameter you need to pass, you need to change the mobile number. So mobile number needs to be changed, so I'll use mobile number m number. Here description mobile number. If you want you can give string. Okay, then after you can come to here. Okay, first what is the method we are going to use? Obj open. To open the record first we need to create a page. So for that page new is the method. Page new is the method to create a page. What page we are going to create? Okay, this record has one error in one place. Name invalid value specified for name. Value doesn't adhere to valid. Is this the number call? Okay. Page new is a method to create a page. Oh, what happened? We'll use M and we'll see. Yeah. First I have to give the name so that it will come. Page new is the method to create a step page. Then we have created a page. Then we need to do obj open. Obj open. Where is that? Obj open. What I need to open here? Obj open on step page. This one only. It will not change. Okay. The class is nothing but RPAS. The table class. What is the table class? Customer details. Okay. Data customer details. Okay. Lock it when one person is open. Then release on commit. Okay, if the updation is done, then release the lock to allow other admin to change whenever they needed. Otherwise the changes will be permanent, so we should select this release on commit option. Okay. Property name. On what property you are opening the record? I said we are opening the record on CUST 12 on based of customer ID. So I'll give CUST 12. What is the property name? This is customer ID. Okay, it's coming. It should not coming. Okay. Customer ID. On base of customer ID, we are opening primary dot we can use. Okay. Anyways, that is the same page. Let it be. Okay. Property value is CUST. What is the value? Capital CUST 12. Okay, this is done. Obj open will done. After obj open, we need to set the property. So what is the value to set the property? Property set. Property set is a method to set the values. Okay. What property needs to be set? Param dot mn. We have created one parameter. Mn, that is mobile number. Property value. Property value will select at runtime. Okay. Here we need to change it. Sorry. Here we will give the value. Here we need to select on what needs to be changed. Okay. Then ab dot temp dot mobile number we are going to change, right? Phone number. Okay. This is we are going to change, and this value we are giving it runtime. Okay. Property set is done. Then after property set, what needs to be done? Property set is done means it will go to clipboard page, then we need to send it to defer queue. For sending the defer queue, we have a method called obj save. What is the method to save the data? Obj save. Sorry, obj save. Obj save. We can select right now, but we'll go with commit method now, so no need to select right now. Okay, right now will not use here. Okay, it will not change the data in table, it will change the data here itself. Okay, okay, as I told you, it will not perform commit option. Okay, after that obj save is done, needs to be done on this page only, so don't forget to give the page name. Okay, if you don't give the page name, then it will take from previous previous step, so it will be AB only, so no need to worry. Obj save is done. What is the next step? Call commit it's not coming man opq commit with error handling. Okay, okay, error handling what will do? It will act as a commit, and if the commit fails, it will unlock, it will act as a commit and unlock. If the commit fails, it will roll back again, the transaction will start from the starting, so it will unlock. So I'll just save it. Oh, it's not working. It should work. Okay, let me do one thing. As of now, I'll comment this step. Now I'll try to execute it. So the mobile number was well known to me, that is 630474526. But now I am going to change the mobile number. Okay, by executing the activity, now I am giving new mobile number. We'll see whether it is updating or not. Maybe the commit is not there, so it will not update. We'll see once. I'll run it. I'll open the tracer whether the methods are executed or not. Obj save executed, but the data will not go to defer. I think defer queue, because we will go to defer queue, but it will not go to table. We did not use the commit method. I'll just check once whether it is going or not by using the table. Let's refresh it. Did not come, right? Data did not come. Okay, it's not updated. So I'll do one thing. Commit. I'll call the activity commit. Now I will save it. Now what we will do, again I'll run it. I'll give the data, run it. Now we'll see the table. Oh, sorry. Now we'll go and refresh it. Now see the data is changed. So this is commit method, but it should work this commit call commit with error handling. It is not working, then what we should do here is, if the commit fails, then we need to write a exception handling. That I'll tell you in next video, but before that I'll check why this method is not working. It should work. Let me check. I'll comment it. I'll go for it. I'll try to remove this call. I'll save it. If I get error, then I'll check. Okay, I'm getting error. I'll check on it in next video, but it's not coming here. I'll remove the page. Okay, it's working here. Thank you. Yeah, we should not give the page because we are going to save on table, not on page, right? Yeah, I'm sorry. So now we will run it. Action. Run. Now I have commented the comment, but as of now the details are 70753533969. But I'll run it. I'll change the number again. Just trace it. Mobile number I am going to give here is 7893 something, some numbers I have given. Okay, I'll run it. See, 7893 I have given. I'll run it. I'll go to tracer. Where is the tracer? See, commit executed, SQL methods are all executed. Okay, everything got executed. So now I'll go to table to see the data whether it is work updated or not. We need to refresh it. I think here there should be an option to refresh. I'll check where is that option. Here the option should be there. If not, we'll do one thing. Where is that refresh option? Okay, it's not there. I'll refresh it. No worries. I'll reopen it. But I don't think. See, the number is changed. That's how that commit with uh, this method will work. Call commit with error handling method will work. Okay. This is for fetching the single record and updating the data in single record. For multiple records, we will use obj browse. That I'll tell you in next video. If we did not lock it, what will happen? We will see. Obj open. Don't release on commit. Then we'll see what will happen. We are just checking. Okay. Run it. Tracer is already opened, right? So clear it. I'll give 1 2 3 3 2 1 1 2 3 3. I'll run it. What will happen? We'll see. Whether the table is updating or not, I'll check. Array, there is a option to refresh it. Action refresh, I think, yes. The data is updating, but if someone tries to open the same record, then I'll try to execute the activity again. I think it will work from here, maybe. 9898989898. I'll give success. So unit testing it will work, but if we call this activity somewhere, then it will not work. Okay, because we are locking it. Okay, that is how that activity will work. If I lock it, if the same person open the case, so it will go on case management. So it must be executed from case tool, case management. So that time it will not work. Okay, I'll show you practically for next video these things. Okay, this is how the call commit with error handling method will work. Okay, hope you understand the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Signing off. Rajesh Balaka. I'll just save it. Thank you all.